Hello children. In this lecture today we will start unit 9th, that is kinetic theory of gases. In the kinetic theory of gases, first topic is Boyle's law. According to Boyle's law, if temperature remain constant, then pressure and volume are inversely proportional to each other. Therefore, we can say that pressure and volume are P inversely proportional to 1 by V. So we can write here P is equal to constant upon V, or we can write PV is equal to constant. If PV is equal to constant, then we can say that P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So this is also condition for the isothermal process which we have done in the thermodynamics unit 8th. If we plot the graph between pressure and 1 by V, pressure and volume, so it is like this curve, because pressure and volume are inversely proportional to each other. And if we plot the graph between pressure and 1 by V, so it will be a straight line. Now conditions under which gases obey Boyle's law, that is high temperature, Next topic is Charles' law. According to Charles' law, we can write that if pressure is constant, then volume is directly proportional to the temperature. So volume is directly proportional to temperature. So we can say that V directly proportional to T, or we can write V is equal to constant into T, or we can write V by T, that is equal to constant, or we can write here V1 upon T1 equals to V2 upon T2. Next is pressure law. According to pressure law, if volume remain constant, then pressure is directly proportional to temperature. So we can write here pressure directly proportional to temperature, or we can write here P is equal to constant into T, or we can write P by T is equal to constant, or we can write here P1 by T1 equal P2 by T2. Now the next is ideal gas equation. We can say here that volume inversely proportional to 1 by P according to Boyle's law. According to Charles' law, we can write V directly proportional to T. So we can combine these two, combine first and second. So we can write here V inversely proportional to T by P, or we can write PV directly proportional to T, or we can write PV is equal to constant into T if constant equals to capital R. This is called gas constant. So we can write here PV equals to RT. For n moles, we can write PV equals to nRT, where R is called gas constant. So this is called ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. Now units of gas constant, we can write PV is equal to nRT. So we can write R is equal to PV upon N into T. P is pressure, V is volume, pressure is Newton per meter square, V is volume meter cube, N is number of mole, temperature is Kelvin. So we can write Newton meter per mole Kelvin, Newton into meter, Newton meter. This is equal to force into distance. This is equal to work. The unit of work is joule. So we can write joule mole Kelvin equals to R, or we can write joule per mole per Kelvin. This is the unit of capital R. Now the value of gas constant. Value of gas constant capital R. We can write R is equal to PV upon N into T. Let N is equal to 1 for 1 mole of gas. P is pressure, that is 1.01 into 10 power 5. V is volume, 22.4. T is temperature, that is 273. By putting all these values, we get R is equal to 8.31 joule per mole per Kelvin.